believe in yourself and never give up. Good morning, respected teachers, dignitaries, and my dear friends. Today, I want to speak to you about something that has the power to change lives, build dreams, and turn ordinary people into extraordinary achievers. That power is belief in yourself and the courage to never give up. Let me start with a simple truth. Every successful person you admire once stood exactly where you are today, full of hopes, fears, doubts, and unanswered questions about the future. They did not begin as legends. They began as learners. We often think that success belongs only to the lucky or the gifted. But history tells us a different story. Success usually belongs to those who keep moving forward when life becomes difficult. Life is not a straight road. It is full of turns, bumps, failures, and unexpected stops. You will face rejection. You will make mistakes. You will fall behind sometimes. And yes, there will be moments when you feel like quitting. But remember this, failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of success. Every failure teaches us something. Every mistake makes us wiser. Every struggle builds strength inside us that comfort never can. Think about a seed planted in the soil. Before it becomes a strong tree, it must first be buried in darkness. It must face pressure from the earth, rain, and storms. Only then does it rise above the ground and grow tall. In the same way, your difficult days are not here to destroy you. They are here to prepare you. Now ask yourself this important question. What do I do when things go wrong? Do I stop trying? Do I blame others? Or do I stand up again and say, I will try one more time? Winners are not people who never fail. Winners are people who never stop trying. Self-belief is the fuel that keeps you going when nobody else is clapping for you. It is easy to work hard when everyone supports you, but real character is built when you continue to work quietly, even when nobody notices. Sometimes, people around you may doubt you. They may say, you can't do it. It's too hard. Be realistic. When that happens, listen carefully, and then politely prove them wrong with your actions. Do not let someone else's limited thinking limit your dreams. Dream big, but don't stop at dreaming. Work for it. Small efforts done every day create massive results over time. Reading a little daily. Practicing regularly. Improving one habit at a time. Being disciplined when motivation fades. Motivation can start you, but discipline will carry you to the finish line. Many people wait for the perfect moment to begin. They say, I will start when I have more time. I will try when I feel confident. I will work hard after things become easier. Let me tell you something powerful. The perfect moment does not exist. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Confidence is not something you wait for. It is something you build by taking action. Every small step forward counts. Even slow progress is still progress, as long as you do not stop. Another important thing in life is attitude. Two people can face the same problem. One complains and gives up. The other learns and grows stronger. The difference is not talent. The difference is mindset. Train your mind to see challenges as opportunities. Instead of saying, this is too hard, try saying, this will make me stronger. Instead of saying, I failed, say, I learned something valuable. Your words shape your future. Speak positively to yourself, because you are always listening. Also remember, success is not only about money, fame, or position. True success is becoming a better version of yourself every day. Being honest. Helping others. Respecting your parents and teachers. Lifting people instead of pulling them down. When you grow, make sure you help others grow too. A truly successful person is one who creates hope in the lives of others.